Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Let's learn trading. Okay, so this is our channel, and so today we'll be going to have a look at how to do an Nifty monthly option strategy, and we can earn a consistent returns in this particular strategy, even if the market crash for 1,000 to 2,000 points on the downside. So we don't have any downside risk, and we have a upside risk on like more than we have a break-even point of more than 800 points there. Okay, so the video which the option strategy which we posting here is only for an educational purpose and not for any recommendation. So please do your own analysis before taking any real trade. Okay, so this is our YouTube channel. So here we have uploaded multiple strategies, even like option strategies, intraday strategy, positional strategies, and even technical analysis we have done and uploaded. Even like how to hedge your positions if you are an investor, and how to do and buy low, sell high. So all those strategy we have uploaded. Even like positional tradings, consistent strategy for Nifty, or even it works for stock as well. So we have uploaded that. So please do subscribe and watch all those videos. And like we have having our own Telegram channel, so where we'll be uploading the we'll be updating any technical analysis, and also we'll be giving some few live trades if time permits us. Okay, so now let's get move into our strategy. So this is an options oracle software tool. So I'm going to do an add Nifty here. So once it gets added, so let's get into deep into an option strategy for this week. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in the money option of up in the money put option of 11,000. Okay, 11,000 strike price for the July contract, and I'll be adding 750, which is a 10 lot, and here we'll be shorting this 11,000 in the money put option of 10 lots. Okay, and what we are going to do is we are going to buy back the same 11,000 put options of 10 lot from the next month, which is of August. Okay, so here we are creating a calendar spread of 11,000 put option. So which means like we are selecting we are selling the current month in the money put option, and we are buying the next month in the money put options. Okay, so this is an this we have done for 11,000. So since Nifty is trading at the point at the level of 10,383, and we are taking somewhat deep in the money put options. Okay, so now what we have to do is we are going to sell the current month call option, so which is at the slightly at the money. Okay, so this is like I'll be choosing the 10,300 call option, and I'm going to short this. Okay, and the quantity which I chose is 2 lot. So we have to sell 2 lots of at the money call option for the current month, which is at the price of 10,300. Okay, so now one more leg we have to add is the next month, so which is on the August month. So here we have we'll be choosing the put option here, and what we have to do is we have to buy 9,700. Sorry, I have to choose that out the money. So I'm buying out the money put option of August month for 2 lots. Okay, so now you can see that. So this is the 4 leg strategy. What we have done is we have done one calendar spread of the 11,000 put option, and we have shorted at the money call option, which is 10,300, and to protect our downside risk we have done the 9,700 put option. Okay, so now you can see that. So let's have a look at the payoff graph. So this is the payoff graph for the current month this option strategy. Okay, so here you can see that. So wherever the market goes on downside, we'll be getting the profit. Even if the market crash for more than 1,000 points, you can see that. Even if the market goes, so here you can see the stock price and the profit and loss here. Okay, so even if the market goes, let's say for the point of 9,000, which is like a 13% of downside, you will be getting the profit of 68,000. So which is like a 5.86% of our capital invested. Okay, so Even here you can see this is like it's showing that it's touching near the zero line, but if it is even at the profit of 9,000. Okay, so what we have to do is we can simply initiate this trade, and you can see that the break even is at the point of 10,190. After 10,190 point, sorry, 11,190, and after moving above 11,190 will be start losing our premiums, and we'll start we'll enter into one losing trades. Okay, so the adjustment for this trade is like let's say, so now we are in the point of 10,383, which is like nearby 10,400. so for each 300 points movement we have to buy one call option. Okay, so we have two short options, naked short call at the price of 10,300, right? And also we'll be having the break even at 11,190. so let's say if the price moves to 10,700, then buy one call option, and if the price reaches to 11,000, then buy one more call option. So in that case, so our upside break even will get removed, or else like even it might move further some more point to like around 11,500 or something else. Okay, so this is a simple strategy. So what even the capital required for this strategy is like around 4.5 to 5 lakhs, and we can gain the monthly income in a very good manner. Okay, so thanks for watching, friends. So please do subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon. Also we'll be adding our Telegram channel's descriptions, so please do join our Telegram channel as well, and also follow us and subscribe. So thanks for watching.